My name is Scott E. Olson, and I'm a registered architect. Having designed passive solar buildings and buildings with solar on them in the past, I've always wanted to have solar as a part of my source of energy. It was so easy to apply, and it was so easy to get accepted. The way to do it where you could buy in blocks and determine how much you really needed for, in my case, I've added late last year a hybrid electric car that I plug in and added the 220 power. And so I wanted to use the solar to help offset that cost. For me, because of my location in a condo complex, I would not be able to place solar panels either on the ground or on the roof. But I wanted to be a part of this important effort of moving toward a portion of our energy being provided by solar versus other sources. And so that's why I felt that this was a great way for me to jump in. But I was personally surprised at how cost-effective it was. It does something at scale that none of us could do alone. I mean, I couldn't have done it anywhere close to that number, and I have now access to solar panels that I get credits on my bill. I don't have to maintain them, I don't have to take care of them, and it's just a simple process. What's also exciting about this project is it's not just for the citizens of Cedar Rapids, it's for anyone that's a Alliant Energy customer in the state of Iowa. And I think what that means is whether you live in a small rural community or in a medium-sized or large-sized city, you could take advantage of this program. Besides having the solar, you have the cost savings, and I'm not having to buy ground, I'm not having to find a contractor. I don't have to worry about that. I have Alliant Energy worrying about that. It's a great program.